Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ungabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze ulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe. U-subscribe nje akubizi imali, kuwumahhala nje okhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizole ukulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Udaba engilethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lesi-ke osanda kujoyina-ke i-M_K laphana-ke ovela-ke kwi-E_F_F segcine ephumelele-ke obala-ke laphana-ke ephendula-ke lezi nsolo zokuthi-ke uJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke benoMalema-ke bayasebenzisana. Yonke-ke le nto yokuthi-ke asuke kwi-E_F_F aye kwi-M_K into-ke eplaniwe-ke laphana ugcine esephumela obala-ke waveza-ke okuningi kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami-ke mina-ke kuphela into nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke lo mlisa lo. Mina ngicela lapha masizwile-ke le vidiyo yonke nama-comment section-ke ufike usho uvo lakho uthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masicindezele nebhasi nje subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole nezinye iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Hey, Floyd Chivambu tweeted this morning. He broke the silence. I am here for every single person that's been saying, don't worry, my sister, it's a strategic move. Hey. Floyd, Uti, that is false. There is no strategic move here. There is no calculation that in future they're gonna work together. That is false. That is why I'm gonna read you guys what he wrote. That is why I keep on saying, guys, don't speculate, don't say things and things that you are guessing and want to push this narrative that they're true. We don't know why Floyd left. I've been saying this, guys. I've been saying this. We don't know why Floyd left. We don't know what happened. But people are pushing this narrative that, hey, it's a strategic move. We don't know that. And people are acting like they know while they don't know. It's like they were in the meeting, but they were not. Stop this thing of acting like you know everything when you don't. You are not in the leadership. You don't know why Floyd left. You were not even in the meetings when that they discussed when he was leaving. When the news broke, you were hearing them for the first time. So you don't know what happened. Stop this thing of acting like you are the SG of the EFF. Stop that thing, guys. You don't know anything. Please don't mind my crustiness. Let's read. So Utu Floyd, I only got to see the countless speculations. Utubone is speculations as needs on the decision, which the letter is a revolutionary act that will allow progressive forces to unite and work towards the agenda of progressive and revolutionary change. All of them are false. Uti ubone is speculations of the decision ayenzileyo ethi la leto beyibhalile mosibithe it's a revolutionary act. Uyabo uthi so people have been saying it's an act that will allow progressive forces to unite and work towards the agenda of progressive and revolutionary change. Uthi that is false. Ko bantu bazawunite apha. That is false. Niyayiva ke ngoku iphuma kuFloyd ngoku andiyazi uba nizawuphinda niphikise nithini uba hayi my sister don't worry this thing is calculated. Uthi uFloyd umnikazi it's false. Nizawuphinda nithini ngoku? Yeah, man. Also another thing, Julius Malema is having a press thing today in Gauteng at 6. So remember, we haven't seen Julius Malema since the news of Floyd. So I think we are all very much interested to see uba uzawuthini na ukubona. We're all very much interested to see uba what is he gonna say, how is he looking, ukubona, is he feeling better? Obviously he's been grieving as well. And then someone has been fired from the MK, a person by the name of Dirk. I actually googled him to see him, but okay, I've seen him, but I'm And I saw a lot of people on Twitter were saying, Obana, a lot of people were saying on Twitter, yeah, he's been insulting people ever since he joined the MK. Ugxothwe kancinci nguZuma. So andiyazi ke sanba kwenzeke ntoni. I don't know what happened, why egxothwa nguZuma uDirk. His name is Dirk. Wait, comment ndiphinde ndigoogle igama lakhe so that I can tell you guys the full information. Dirk, wait. Dirk. Oh, nanku Mervyn Dirks. Oh, nguMervyn. So xa bugxothiwe ke ngu-MK, and waye-expellwe ke, he was expelled by the ANC for joining the MK. Now MK imgxothile wenzeni? I don't know. I'm still to find out. So those are the news for this morning, Kesan. Kobi.